Presenting a certified pre-owned 2024 Chevrolet Suburban Z71. This Chevrolet is a steal with less than 7,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.